So top of the ship. Top of the ship. Ayan guys, so ayan, top of the ship to. So it's not easy guys, so you tell seaman working abroad guys, so it's not easy. Imagine that, right? So naglilinis sila ng barko gamit lang ang ladder na yan, yung parang elevator, ano na yan, bearing lang ang humahawak dyan, itutulak lang ng kasama niya. Yan, nag-aabang siya, itutulak lang na yan para sa paglilinis ng gilid ng barko. Ayan, oh. So it's not easy job guys. Ayan, kita nyo yung trabaho niya, di ba? Kasi grabe. Ayan, naglilinis siya ng barko. Alright guys, sana nagustuhan nyo. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the top of the ship.